Welcome to the world of penguins, some of the coolest and most fascinating birds on Earth. Penguins aren't just cute, they're amazing survivors with unique ways of living. Sure, they waddle in tuxedos, but there's much more to penguins than meets the eye. Their lives are full of surprises and adventure. Penguins thrive in some of the harshest places on Earth, from Antarctica's icy deserts to the warm Galapagos. Each species is uniquely adapted to its home. They're expert swimmers, social animals, and devoted parents, working together to raise chicks and survive extreme conditions. Picture huge colonies like bustling cities where penguins gather, communicate, and cooperate. Penguins have traded flight for speed in the water, swimming like torpedoes to hunt and escape danger. We'll explore how they survive the coldest places on Earth, using clever tricks to stay warm, find food, and stay safe. In Antarctica, penguins face extreme cold and tough challenges, yet they thrive in this frozen world. They endure blizzards and freezing winds, surviving thanks to teamwork and smart adaptations. Their bodies and behaviors are built for survival, from waterproof feathers to sliding across the ice. Penguins are clumsy on land but graceful underwater, perfectly adapted for both worlds. They huddle for warmth and protect their young, working together as a team. Marching, swimming, hunting, and raising families, teamwork is key to penguin survival. Join me to discover their secrets, meet different species, and see what makes penguins so special. Get ready to meet these cool birds up close. The adventure starts now. So what is a penguin? They're birds, just not the flying kind. Penguins have feathers, lay eggs, and have beaks. But they've evolved to become expert swimmers. Think of them as birds that traded wings for flippers, making them champions of the sea. There are 18 penguin species living across the southern hemisphere, from Antarctica to the equator's Galapagos penguin. Penguins are flightless, like ostriches and kiwis, but their flippers let them fly underwater. Their bodies are streamlined, with solid bones for deep diving. Their black and white tuxedo isn't just stylish, it's camouflage called countershading. From above, their dark backs blend with the ocean. From below, their white bellies match the bright surface. This clever pattern helps them hunt and hide from predators. Penguins are a brilliant example of evolution in action, absolutely fascinating. What makes penguins superstar swimmers? It's not just their adorable tuxedo looks. These birds are built for speed and agility beneath the waves. It all starts with their unique flipper-like wings. Unlike the wings of most birds, penguin wings are specially adapted for life underwater. While flying birds have long, flexible wings for soaring through the air, penguin wings are short, stiff, and incredibly strong, acting as powerful paddles that slice through water with ease. Some species, like the Gentoo penguin, are among the fastest underwater birds on the planet, reaching speeds up to 36 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most Olympic swimmers. On land, penguins may look a bit awkward. Their legs are set far back on their bodies, which gives them that signature waddle. But this design actually helps them balance and move efficiently across slippery ice and snow. When they need to pick up the pace, penguins use a clever trick called tobogganing, sliding on their bellies and pushing themselves forward with their feet and flippers. It's both fun to watch and a smart way to travel quickly over long distances. Unlike most birds, penguins can't take to the skies. Their bodies are simply too dense and heavy for flight, but that same build makes them perfect for diving deep and swimming powerfully underwater. Their dense bones act like natural weights, helping them stay submerged, while their streamlined bodies reduce drag and let them glide effortlessly through the sea. Penguins' feathers are another marvel. Short, stiff, and packed tightly together, they create a waterproof barrier and trap warmth close to the skin. Beneath those feathers, a layer of trapped air acts like a built-in wetsuit, keeping penguins warm even in the coldest Antarctic waters. To maintain this waterproof shield, penguins spend hours each day preening, using their beaks to spread special oil over every feather, ensuring they stay dry and insulated. Every part of a penguin's body, from their beak to their tail, is fine-tuned for survival in a world of water, ice, and ever-changing conditions. In the end, penguins truly are the ultimate aquatic birds, masters of the sea, perfectly adapted for a life spent swimming, diving, and thriving where few others can. How do penguins survive the coldest places on Earth? These remarkable birds have evolved to thrive in some of the harshest conditions imaginable. Their secret, a thick layer of blubber and dense waterproof feathers. This unique combination provides exceptional insulation against the biting cold. This combo insulates so well that penguins can even overheat on sunny days. To cool down, they often stretch out their wings and open their mouths. Emperor penguins huddle in massive groups, rotating positions, so everyone gets a turn in the warm center. This social behavior is crucial for their survival during the brutal Antarctic winter. It's teamwork at its best. By constantly moving and rotating, they ensure that no penguin is left out in the cold for too long. Their feet don't freeze thanks to a countercurrent heat exchange system. Warm arteries heat up cold veins, conserving body heat. This ingenious adaptation allows them to walk on ice without losing precious warmth. Penguins in warmer climates, like the Galapagos penguin, have bare skin patches to release heat and smaller bodies to cool off faster. These adaptations are essential for surviving in their unique environments. They'll hold out their flippers and pant to beat the heat. This behavior helps them regulate their body temperature effectively. Whether facing freezing winds or blazing sun, penguins are masters of adaptation. Their ability to endure such extreme conditions is truly remarkable. Their survival strategies are as diverse as their habitats. From the icy shores of Antarctica to the rocky coasts of the Galapagos, each species has its own unique way of coping with the challenges of their environment. No matter the climate, penguins have a trick for it. That's true resilience. Their adaptability and resourcefulness are key to their survival in the wild. What's on the penguin menu? Seafood. Smaller species feast on krill, tiny, energy-packed shrimp found in Antarctic waters. Larger penguins, like emperors and kings, hunt fish and squid, diving hundreds of meters deep. Their beaks are specialized, small for krill, long and strong for fish. Inside their mouths, backward-facing spines grip slippery prey. Penguins drink salt water, filtering out salt with a special gland above their eyes. The excess salt drips from their nostrils, so that runny nose is just clever plumbing. Every adaptation helps them thrive in a marine world. Penguins are true seafood specialists. When it's time to hunt, penguins become sleek underwater predators. They often hunt in groups, leaping from the ice in a move called porpoising, fast, efficient, and great for spotting danger. Their sharp eyesight helps them track prey in the blue-green ocean, even in low light. But penguins aren't just hunters, they're also prey. Leopard seals and orcas lurk in the water, so penguins rely on speed, agility, and camouflage. Group hunting confuses predators and boosts survival. Some penguins travel over 100 kilometers to reach feeding grounds, storing food in their stomachs for chicks back home. Their endurance and teamwork make them devoted parents. Every hunt is a test of skill and survival. Penguins are relentless providers. Penguin family life is all about teamwork and dedication. Most species are monogamous for the season, returning to the same nesting grounds each year. Males claim nest sites and call for their mates. Each call is unique, helping them reunite in noisy colonies. Both parents usually share egg incubation, but emperor penguin dads take on the brutal winter alone, balancing the egg on their feet for 2 months without food. When the chick hatches, the female returns with food and the exhausted male finally eats. Chicks are covered in fluffy down, relying on parents for warmth and food. As they grow, chicks huddle in creches for safety while parents hunt. Eventually, they shed their down for waterproof feathers and take their first swim. Penguin parenting is a true feat of endurance and cooperation. It's a family story like no other. With 18 species, penguins are a diverse family. The emperor is the largest, breeding through the Antarctic winter. King penguins with their orange markings have the longest breeding cycle. Brush-tailed penguins, Adelie, Chinstrap and Gentoo, are known for their feisty personalities and speed. Not all penguins live in the cold. African penguins nest in burrows on sunny coasts, while Magellanic penguins migrate thousands of kilometers in South America. The little blue penguin is the smallest, parading ashore at dusk in Australia and New Zealand. Crested penguins, like the rockhopper, sport wild yellow eyebrows and climb rocky cliffs. Each species has unique adaptations for its environment. From giants to tiny climbers, penguins are endlessly fascinating. Their diversity is a testament to nature's creativity. There's a penguin for every corner of the southern world. From the giant emperor to the tiny little blue, penguins are some of the world's most resilient birds. They've conquered icy continents and sunny shores, trading flight for underwater mastery. Their lives are filled with epic journeys, teamwork and survival against the odds. Penguins show us the power of adaptation and cooperation, but many species face threats. Climate change, overfishing and pollution endanger their future. Some, like the African and Galapagos penguins, are now endangered. Protecting penguins means protecting our oceans. Scientists and conservationists are working to safeguard their habitats and food sources. We can help by reducing plastic use and supporting conservation efforts. Penguins inspire us with their toughness and charm. Let's ensure these amazing birds thrive for generations to come.